Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandhya Singh and in today's video I'm going to talk about these two products from Kama Ayurveda. So not only I'm going to talk about these products but also I'm going to demonstrate, which means how to use these products and what are the benefits of these products. So without wasting much of your time, let's just jump into this video. Alright, so the first one is this Kama Ayurveda Nalpamaradi Thailam. It is a skin brightening treatment, and the second one is this Kama Ayurveda Natural Sun Protection. Now I love this brand so much because Kama Ayurveda के सारे products जो होते हैं वो 100% natural होते हैं with no artificial color, fragrance, animal ingredients or petrochemicals. So these products are pre and post sun care, which means that you have to apply this Nalpamaradi Thailam before bathing and this natural sun protection before stepping out. So what happens is that in summers our skin gets tanned and damaged. So to repair and protect and to get rid of any kind of pigmentation, we have to use these products. Alright, so talking about the packaging, so this oil comes in this kind of bottle with a golden cap. It says Kama Ayurveda Nalpamaradi Thailam Skin Brightening Treatment, described in Ayurveda as a natural skin illuminator for face and body, highly recommended as a bridal beauty treatment. So it is a 100 ml bottle and it retails for rupees 950. And again इसमें आपको इसके सारे ingredients, direction for use, manufacturing, expiry सब कुछ आपको इस बॉटल पर ही मिलता है. And this is a really like a travel friendly size, so it is really easy to carry in your purse and bags. Now moving towards the application of this product, so firstly I'm going to shake this really well, and after that I'm going to take a little bit of this oil on the palm of my hand and I'm going to gently massage this into my skin. You have to apply this on your face and body as well. After that I'm going to leave this for 30 minutes. After that I'm going to wash this off with a mild cleanser. The product is recommended for daily use for brides and for tanned skin. Also, if you wish, you can use this daily. It can also be used twice or thrice a week. But if you have very oily skin or you have acne prone skin, then use this once a week and also avoid the acne area. Now quickly moving towards our second product, that is this Natural Sun Protection. So talking about the packaging, so this comes in this kind of cardboard box, inside which you get this tube, yellow color tube with a black cap. Now the thing that I like the most about the packaging of this is that you get all the information on the cardboard box as well as on this tube. So if you wish, you can throw this box and still you have all the the important things written on the tube also. So you will get all directions, ingredients, manufacturing, expiry and everything on the tube itself. It says Kama Ayurveda Natural Sun Protection with essential oil of nutmeg, ginger and lime for daily use, and also it is non-comedogenic, which means that it won't clog your pores. So if you have acne prone skin, you still can use this, and it is like 60 ml packaging, a 60 ml tube, and it retails for rupees 1350. Let me just take a little bit of this on the back of my hand to show you guys the texture of this cream. So it is this white colored cream or sun protection, and once I start blending this, so it blends really well and it is very creamy like in blending. Also one thing more is that it has very mild ginger kind of fragrance, and it blends like butter. So I'm going to take the required amount on my hand and blend this into my skin. You have to apply this 20 minutes before you step out in the sun and reapply in 2 hours. I will leave the link of these products in the description box, so do check that out in case you have interest in purchasing any of these products. So this was end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. If you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.